Hello, Trish here at my workplace at Camden Park House, New South Wales, Australia. Today featuring is another most famous plant that grows at Camden Park. This beautiful, rather rare camellia cultivar is called Camellia japonica Anemoniflora. Anemoniflora was introduced to the West from China in 1806. In February 1831, Sir William Macarthur imported Anemoniflora to Australia. Here it is planted at the end of the terrace, and this particular specimen, planted in 1831, is the oldest surviving camellia in Australia. The flower of Anemoniflora is historically described as a cultivar of Camellia japonica. The flowers are remarkably showy and resemble a double anemone. They are about 3 or 4 inches in diameter, of a deep red colour. The outer petals expand quite flat, roundish cordate, surrounding a great number of smaller ones, regularly disposed and rising upright in the centre. Each of them are roundish cordate and slightly marked with veins of a deeper colour. Those in the centre of the flower are of peculiar form, being small and fleshy at the base and broad and thin at the tip. They are compactly arranged in rows from the circumference to the centre, which is considerably elevated above the other petals, and each is incurved towards the styles with the edge turned outwards. Cordate means heart-shaped. The calyx is brown and the flowers have 5, but occasionally 7 outer petals. The glossy leathery leaves can be variable in size. The margins are serrated, which is typical in japonica camellias. The apex is pointed. The reverse is green, lighter green. And what I find on the Anemoniflora is the veining is a bit deeper. So on the back, on the reverse, it's a bit more raised than the typical japonica camellia. So here's a typical leaf. So you can see it's deeper on the surface and more patterned reptile look. In the early 1800s, plant breeders such as Sir William Macarthur from Camden Park, Australia, and Chandler from England used Anemoniflora as a seed parent. Anemoniflora's genes have produced hundreds of modern cultivars. Camden Park House is a private property, but is usually open to the public at the open weekend in September. You'll find more information on the website, which I'll add to the description notes below. I hope you enjoyed the video about Anemoniflora, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.